Hello everyone, hi, this is Amish Sharma and welcome back to my channel Web for Click. Today I will explain the color concepts in graphics designing. Colors represent the feelings and emotions in our design. If you want to be a perfect designer, then you have to understand that which color is associated with which emotion and which feeling. So without wasting the time, let's start.
The first example of famous brand is McDonald's. This logo includes two different colors. One is red and second is yellow. Red color represents the focus on hot and spicy for the brand, and the yellow color is represent the focus on happiness for the customer. Now, the first question that must come in the mind that the lots of brands serving the same products but they have different colors of logo and branding. Why? Let's take a second example. The two companies Domino's and Pizza Hut serving same product pizza but they have different color of logo branding. Why? Because Domino's brand clients main focus is on time delivery with trust and faith. That's why designer choose blue color that represent the trust and faith emotion for the graphics. Other side Pizza Hut brand clients focus on hot and spicy food for customer. That's why the designer choose red color that represent hot grilled and spicy feeling in graphics design. So before making any design, you have to understand the focus of client for the branding and then the choose color accordingly. In my next video, I will explain color emotion and feeling concept in deeply. So keep watching and learning with Web for Click.